Hi and welcome to Coloring Ponies. So right now I'm just using a pen, and this is the same how to draw Fluttershy thing, just with pens. So you can also do the marker one, but this shows how to do it full time. So let's start this. So just like last time, we started with the back. So this pen's not too good. You can't really see it, so I don't know how to actually make you to see it. I don't know. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see now. So, and now just add like a little second one, almost attached to it, like this. So it's gonna be like that. And then do this. And then this. And of course you don't have to copy me. Use a toy Fluttershy, just like I said in the last video. You saw mine, right now I don't have it. So you can just copy me. Always do that if you don't have the things that you need. And of course you can use a pencil or the marker, anything you want. And of course if you have markers, then watch my other how to draw Fluttershy video. And if you have a pen like me or a pencil, then you can watch this one. So next we draw a tail shape. My pen just doesn't work very well. And go. It's not letting me do it very much. Okay, so we just need to go down like this. Just keep going down until we have like maybe a little ponytail curve. I don't really have it, so I can't really see the actual Fluttershy. So maybe I'll try again. With this one will probably still help with your pony drawings. Just need to try to do it. Yeah, like this. So I'm going to give you a minute to draw this. Okay. So, of course, you can always pause the video. So, we draw some like wings over here. A little circle, like that. Okay. And then we draw a line near the top, like this, and then we add like some lines on it, like this. Following on that, like mine, of course. So then we add a neck. And of course, a head. That's probably a little bit too giant head, but I think it'll work. And then Like a little line there. And then, of course, a little ear. With the line in it, like a little curved line, like mine. Like mine always. And then, and then little mouth. Then might a little bit too like this. Good. And then let's do one of the most hardest parts, the eye. So we're going to just grab a little circle for the eye, some slight eyelashes like this, and then choose a bit at the bottom too. So we do this, and this. Then of course the mane. I like to start at the bottom because it's always easier, because this is an easy draw. These are always the easy steps. And of course, I'll let you know in the title of the video if it's a hard draw. These are hard draws. Maybe like this. I don't think that's how it works, but just draw that anyway. And then just like this. I'm not sure it's like it. But it's a pretty nice drawing. And at the top, you can do all sorts of stuff. So, for instance, you could like draw butterflies. And write a name. Okay. Maybe another butterfly if you want to over here. There. And here we have our fluttershy. You can add more details or like her angel bunny or anything, some birds around her. But this is just an easy draw, so you don't have to. And I just did that Fluttershy decoration with the butterflies around it just because I wanted to. You don't have to. But you can do another Fluttershy easy drawing because I don't know exactly how she looks. So, and of course, this is just how I think she looks. So, of course, I just pushed down the pen. I think it's like little push-up pens. Okay, so anyway, I hope you have fun in creating this project. So, bye.